Have you ever had a hard time determining which type of mask to use for a given project? Gotten confused on how to use the various types of masks? Have you ever wondered where you can see the actual mask you created? How the various types of masks are related? And how to easily modify masks? If you answer yes to any of these questions, then this training was designed with you in mind. For many users, masking is a mystery. In this training module, I will unmask the mystery of the mask. Notice I said mask singular and not mask plural. The reason for this statement is because all masks, regardless of their type, all do basically the same three functions. They show, hide, or protect what they are masking. However, knowing what they show, hide, or protect is one of the keys to unlocking the mystery of the mask.